In this module, we delve into API integration in Python by fetching weather data. Learn to connect to external services, parse JSON responses, and build functional applications. This hands-on approach ensures you grasp industry standard practices, enhancing your ability to implement APIs effectively in real-world scenarios. Application programming interfaces, or application programming interfaces, are crucial in modern software, acting as bridges between different systems. They allow Python applications to request and exchange data with external servers using standardized protocols. This foundational understanding is essential for implementing application programming interfaces effectively in real-world applications, such as integrating weather data into Python projects. APIs act as a software bridge, enabling structured communication between independent systems. They allow Python programs to request data or services from external servers using standardized protocols. For instance, Weather APIs provide real-time meteorological data, forecasts, and historical information, abstracting complexity and granting access to sophisticated services without needing to understand their underlying implementation. Application programming interfaces in Python automate data retrieval, eliminating manual collection by accessing online services programmatically. They integrate dynamic data, ensuring applications remain responsive with real-time updates. Additionally, application programming interfaces offer access to vast datasets without storage burdens, making them indispensable in modern Python development for efficient, scalable data management. Weather APIs convert intricate meteorological data into user-friendly formats. They are crucial for developers needing real-time weather updates. This section explores key providers like OpenWeatherMap, Python Weather, Meteosource, and the National Weather Service, highlighting their unique features and integration capabilities in Python development. OpenWeatherMap offers free-tier access to global weather data with comprehensive documentation. Python Weather is an asynchronous library using WTTR.in, ideal for beginners. Meteosource provides premium data with a Python wrapper, focusing on accuracy. The National Weather Service offers authoritative United States data without authentication, perfect for educational use. Authentication keys are crucial for verifying user identity and tracking API usage. Most providers, like OpenWeatherMap, require registration for these keys. Free-tier accounts often have rate limitations, restricting requests per minute or hour. Application programming interfaces typically return data in JavaScript object notation, extensible markup language, or hypertext markup language, with JavaScript object notation being preferred for its Python compatibility and efficiency. Setting up your Python environment is crucial for seamless API integration. Key modules include requests for HTTP calls, JSON for parsing responses, and Asyncio with Python Weather for asynchronous operations. Use Matplotlib for data visualization and Python.env for secure credential management. Employ virtual environments to isolate dependencies and prevent conflicts. The Requests module simplifies API calls with elegant syntax for GET and POST requests. JSON converts API responses into Python dictionaries. Asyncio and Python Weather enable concurrent API calls, enhancing performance. Matplotlib visualizes weather data into charts. Python.env securely manages environment variables, protecting API keys. Use virtual environments to isolate dependencies and avoid version conflicts. To install necessary modules, execute pip install requests, pip install Python Weather, pip install Matplotlib, and pip install Python.env. Verify installations by importing modules in Python's interactive shell. If issues arise, ensure pip is updated and check Python version compatibility, as most weather application programming interfaces require Python 3.7 or higher.